This is dog hair from, okay, this is a crystal or so of diamond from the Happy Rock mine in near Safford, Arizona, in the Gila River basin. Look at that, isn't that a trip? A little spiral going in. Makes it look kind of like a flower. Very nice. And on this side is the crystals. And the crystals are special. They are hollow. And I have been finding these hollow crystals all over the Gila River basin. I live right on the Gila River west of Phoenix, Arizona. And I find them near here. I find them out. I had a mining claim up by Wickenburg, and I found them up there along the Hassayampa River. And where the Hassayampa joins the Gila, near the power plant, find it there. And they're hollow. You see how they've got like a hollow point to them? And it turns out that's not a whole bunch of different crystals. That's one crystal and the different growing faces of that crystal. That's how diamond grows. And it makes these points like this. I call it the tiara shape. And that because it's kind of a pointy thing with little doohickeys off to the side. And this one's accentuated by some of the other crystals. Isn't that cool, though, huh? And it's kind of all over. This is from the mine out near Safford. It's along the Gila, the South Fork of the Gila, maybe. And it's a beautiful rock. Look at that, man. Even if you couldn't cut little tiny perfect diamonds for pretty girls' wedding rings, it's beautiful for itself, for its symmetry. This is not not always the case. Some of the crystals are whole, some are big, some are little, some are clear, some are not. And some of it is moissanite. Moissanite is silicon carbide. So carbon is what diamonds are, and with the addition of silica, it becomes silicon carbide, and some of mine are. This particular one, I think, is pretty much all diamond. And it's very cool. These look kind of like chalcedony, but they're not. It's not even druzy on the outside. It's part of the growing face of this crystal. This is a diamond crystal. This one's pretty fancy. They're definitely not all like that. This one's pretty fancy. I get that. Whoa. And one of the cool things about diamond is it's shiny. It's always kind of shiny because it's so darn hard. It doesn't get scuffed and scratched like quartz does, for instance, or most rocks. Quartz is pretty impervious to anything, but it's not shiny like this unless you pull it out of the ground. But when you find something on the ground that's been out and about and weathered out of the rock, it's usually not quite so shiny. And this stuff I find on the ground, just laying around. It is the Gila River diamond.